Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products in the same category to help you make smarter buying decisions. Today, we have two mini drones that are perfect for kids and beginners. Let's dive into the comparison between the Untei 2-in-1 mini drones and the DyineeFy Mini Drone. Let's start with the design. The Untei 2-in-1 mini drones have a unique design. They combine a mini drone with a toy car, allowing you to race on the road and fly in the sky. On the other hand, the DyineeFy Mini Drone features vibrant LED lights that emit a captivating mix of colors, making it a delight to fly both indoors and outdoors. When it comes to safety and durability, both drones have impressive features. The Untei 2-in-1 mini drones come with propeller guards and a one-key emergency stop function, ensuring the safety of the drone, furniture, and people nearby. Made with high-quality ABS material, it can withstand numerous collisions or drops. Similarly, the DyineeFy Mini Drone is designed with high-quality ABS materials and 4 sturdy propeller guards, providing enhanced protection for its propellers and motors. This makes it a safe choice for kids and beginners. Now let's talk about the functions and features of these mini drones. The Untei 2-in-1 mini drones offer 3D flips and high-speed flying, giving you a special and exciting flying experience. They also come with LED lights that guarantee visibility, day or night. Additionally, they have one-key takeoff, landing, and auto-hovering functions, making them easy to control. On the other hand, the DyineeFy Mini Drone features headless mode for orientation-free flying and altitude hold for effortless hovering. It also offers 360-degree flips and speed adjustment options for different skill levels. Battery life is always an important factor to consider. The Untei 2-in-1 mini drones provide a total flying time of 17 to 20 minutes, allowing kids to enjoy extended playtime. They also have a low battery power alarm, preventing any loss or damage due to low power. Similarly, the DyineeFy Mini Drone offers a continuous flight time of 8 to 15 minutes and comes with rechargeable batteries and 3 remote control batteries. It also has a low battery alarm to keep you informed about the battery's status. Finally, let's talk about the price. The Untei 2-in-1 mini drones are priced at $99, while the DyineeFy Mini Drone comes at a lower price of $49. Both drones offer great features and functionality, so the price difference may be a deciding factor for some buyers. That wraps up our comparison between the Untei 2-in-1 mini drones and the DyineeFy Mini Drone. Both drones have their unique features and advantages. It's important to consider your specific needs and budget before making a decision. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Buy Smart for more product comparisons. See you next time.